Alright guys, what's up? Tech Dude One here, and today I just purchased my Amazon Kindle Fire, and this is an unboxing video of it. Here it is, Amazon Kindle Fire. This was $200 at Best Buy. That's the retail price. So yeah, Kindle Fire by Amazon, obviously with a big A. Includes Wi-Fi. It has Wi-Fi, touchscreen display, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Amazon 2011 and all this stuff. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let me move the stuff to the side. And yeah. So it has this nice tab system thing. You kind of just go ahead and pull this thing off. Put the camera down. Open it up. So there's when you first open the box. Simple as that, right there. I like that about the packaging. Some other devices, I just you open it up and a lot of just instruction manuals, but this is just simple, nice. Right when you open the box, you agree with the device itself, and yeah. Hold on, guys, give me a minute. On the back it says Kindle, Amazon. Put that along to the side. And then in here, right behind the device, you get this charger. Wall adapter hooks up to the wall. And this is a micro USB that goes to your device. Also, right on top of here, you do get this little note card thing saying gains on your Kindle, your headphone jack, power button, where you plug your cable at, slide to unlock, all that stuff. So yes, it comes in the box. This and this wall adapter to charge your device. Let's go ahead and take a look at the device quickly. Give me a minute, guys. Take this off the plastic. Move it off to the side. And wanna pull this little plastic thing up. Slide it out of there. And here it is, guys, the Kindle Fire. That's about it. Back of it. And peace out. That's it.